Hello marketers and developers, email testing is very important before sending. Putsmail testing is retired and now you can use Mail Editor to test your email template for free. Go to maileditor.net/email test or click the link in the description below. To test, write the email where you want to send the test and click Add. You can add multiple. Write a subject. We will use this template for testing. You can copy the code from browser source or from any code editor like brackets. Press Ctrl-A or Command-A to copy it, and then paste in the body box and click Send. If the receiver gets the test mail for the first time, they will receive a confirmation email first. To accept, click Approve Request. Once clicked, you will receive the test email immediately, and here you go. Please feel free to comment your question. Thank you.